To me, impact means restoring hope. Hope is everything. When you have hope, you can walk through anything, you can journey through anything, but making an impact in people's life is reminding them there is hope. Hope compels people to make change. I think for me, before I started my OPTAVIA weight loss journey, I had lost hope. I remember starting the program being so nervous, like, I don't know if this is gonna work. So starting the program and restoring hope in my own life, it literally changed everything.
My wife has always had a heart. She's always put others before herself. She's overflowing with a lot of different gifts and things like that, but in terms of her heart, I've just seen her give her time to people in ways that challenge me.
So when we moved to California, we have a family member, my aunt, who came forward and said she needed to go to rehab. So we took her daughter in. She was 6 months into her journey, was not finished with her recovery. And that is when I heard about Powerhouse. A lot of women, when they come off of drugs or alcohol, they are learning very basic skills. And so we get together and do some cooking classes and go over general nutrition. So it's important that while they're healing, that they're fueling their body with nutrition, so their mind is clear to focus on their recovery, so their body gives them energy to get through all the things they need for the day in their program. I see myself in them. I was at a place that was hopeless. I needed change and I had to do the work. And no matter if it's health or addiction recovery, it drives me to let women know it'll change and you can do this.
The impact is endless. It could be really anything that we think of or can imagine. It's just, do we have the guts to dream?
I want to see us impact our city and beyond with just using the tools of health. We all need someone to support us, to encourage us, to remind us of who we are. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and will help you see that you're gonna make it. Little wins, all added up, they equal a big win. You're changing your life.